vintage TV collectors. Here's a really vintage one. These are some home movies actually from 1968, which is the right period for this. I did show some a free stream cartoon yesterday, and YouTube said that was a copyright violation, so this definitely is not. And just tell you a little bit about TV. It's a Sanyo P3000, made between 65 and 67, black and white 10-inch portable, all tube. And I'm just going to spin it around so you can have a look in the back. So I did some paint work on the case because it was faded and a little bit of nicotine on it. Nice metal frame chassis for rigidity. The whole chassis is on one printed circuit board. Bunch of compactrons in there. All original Toshiba tubes, original Toshiba picture tube. So did some cleaning, some spraying, and a little bit of adjusting. Recapped it, took the wax caps out and put polys in. So just bring it back here. And that's actually a Super 8 movie captured on a video camera, transferred to VHS, then transferred to a DVD. It's amazing. It still even looks good. But these TVs are becoming pretty rare. So many of them ended in the trash. And I remember as a kid biking home from school or walking home from school, depending on the time of year, I'd find these in the trash when they were about 10 years old. You know, if it didn't work, people put it out, or got a color TV, whatever. And what's kind of neat about these is this is a real survivor. I mean, so few of them come up these days. Like every couple of years I see one come up. I'll show you the back of it. Plastic case, that's brown, so you kind of got white, brown, a little bit of chrome trim on it. So a lot of gamers like these TVs, and they're, you know, people in their 20s like them, which is kind of cool. You play an 80s or 90s video game on a 60s TV, and it's, you know, it's an experience, right? It's kind of fun. Anyway, thanks for watching and listening.